Alright, what's up guys? Damn, fucking fly. What's up guys? Welcome back to another OBS and around video. Alright, so we're gonna be working on the little Flareside. It's been a while since we worked on it or worked on any OBS. Yeah, there's a lot been going on, but we're gonna get a little bit of time now, and I'm gonna start slowly working on it again. So today what we're gonna do something really simple. The window motor on this side, it went bad, so we're gonna be replacing that. You can see the door panel's already off, so it should be a pretty quick thing. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be explaining to y'all what's going on, kind of updating y'all of what we've been doing. So I guess let's get this thing done so I can talk to y'all. All right, so y'all remember, like at the beginning of the channel, I did a electric window swap on this truck, and I probably should have replaced the regulators, or actually the motors, while I was at it. So now we got to struggle because these are not OEM nuts and bolts, so it is what it is. So I do have the new motor. Hopefully it fits. The plug doesn't look the same, so we'll find out. And as you can see, it's been my storage truck, so yeah, it's you know, it's been a while, but I'm gonna see what tools I need, because I actually don't remember that well. But let me get my tools. Alright, so we got these things off. In my case, they're 11 millimeters. If yours is OEM, in your case, there will be rivets. So you're gonna have to drill them out, or drill the door so you can get to the bolts, which is probably what I should have done. Oh. But yeah, it's not that hard. It's just, if you have big hands to get back here, it's gonna be kind of more difficult. And then also, since they're not the original bolts or hardware, I should say, they're kind of more a pain in the butt to remove. And also, because the window is all the way up, it is making pressure on the door, so it is a little bit more difficult to pull these things off.
Sounds the same.
This is the same. Yeah. Alright, so now I remember why I don't like working on this thing. Pisses me off. But here we go. We got it kind of flipped over, and I don't know, but it doesn't look exactly the same. The mounting points look the same, but yeah, we'll find out right now. If not, we won't have a window motor at all. Wish I could talk to the last idiot that did this. It was me.
What's wrong?
Get close. Hopefully the motors are the same, because I don't want to do this again. the connectors all the way back here. Which I might end up splicing because the connector for it is not the same. So when I cut this one out, it was out of a white and blue OBS, and they are the same, but I guess this is for like a new regulator, and I didn't want to take the whole thing off, so I just pulled this off because they had the holes here drilled out, how I was saying. So I think it'll fit. I'm pretty sure it'll fit. The only thing I'm gonna use is this connector right here. So I'm gonna cut this, which looks like it's been cut already.
I wonder who cut it.
I didn't cut this one. I bought it like that. This one's not my fault. Let's see. It's got the electrical tape on it already. Yep. It's been cut. So there we go. Now I'm not gonna be fancy and use these because I don't have any. So the electrical tape is gonna have to cut it. Okay, so we did find some butt connectors. So I didn't have my crimp tool, so channel locks are gonna have to do it. And I'm still gonna put some electrical tape just in case. I'm trying to catch a fire. I should probably test it, right? Just in case.
Yeah.
Okay. This goes here. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the key on, and then hopefully it does something.
Yeah.
There we go. Cool. Alright. 2 are in here. 1 doesn't line up. I messed with this, so I kinda don't know if it's gonna go back exactly the same. I also forgot which bolt holes I used, so should be fun. So the way I'm gonna put this back in is probably like this. Make sure your wires don't get cut up. How did I do it? No, it was upside down. Probably should do it the same way I took it out, which was like this. Well, damn, I guess it wasn't like this. Alright, technical difficulties. Okay, what's your...
Oh.
Yay, it's in.
Why?
It got complicated, but it's in there. Alright, so I was just gonna test it. Still need to do like tighten them up and whatnot. These are just in there for now, but yeah, window works. Hopefully it lasts a long time because I don't want to do this again. At least I know how now, but you know, it got complicated. So I'll put all the nuts and washers where they're supposed to go. And also something I noticed, these interior panels flex a lot, which is probably why the door handles break. But like I said, hopefully we don't have the window motor issue for a very long time. Thank you for being patient. Alright, it works. We're ready. Try to put it back together. I have none of the bolts to secure the panel to the door, so it's gonna rattle a little bit, but it'll be alright. So,
The door light.
don't forget your LEDs. For the hallway. Alright, we're good. I think. Yeah. Alright, so I also misplaced these on the move. So I kinda don't have the bezels or the trim to put it back on. So I'm gonna try to look for one of the ones that I was selling, and hopefully they're not beat up, so I can put these things back on. All right. All right, so now that we have that finished, well, as y'all may know, we moved out. We don't have the Dallas house. We're living with my in-laws right now, and we're actually trying to build a tiny home, I guess you could say, at my parents'. It's taking us a little longer because we thought the house was gonna take a while to sell. I hear you. And yeah, we were like, we'll start it and then, you know, go along, and we were expecting it to take around from 4 to 6 months maybe. It took 2 weeks, and yeah, we had to move out really quickly. So that's kind of why I haven't been doing anything. And then, well, also work, and you know, I've been working weekends sometimes, and then when I don't, I got stuff to do. And it's just boring stuff that I don't really want to record. And let's say if I do record it, it's gonna take me longer to finished than it's supposed to. And then on top of that, it's gonna be boring. So yeah, that's kind of what we've been kind of doing. So now we're on it a little bit more. We're getting power soon. We're getting our septic done, and we're getting married. She said yes. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. I haven't posted on Instagram either, but you know, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on, guys. So it should be a good year. Now we'll be using this truck for the wedding, I think. So I had to fix it. I was gonna do a nice, you know, higher end paint job, but I think I'm gonna just do a scuff and shoot, and then once we get a little bit more money, then we'll do a nice paint job, you know, take it to an actual shop, not in my backyard. So yeah, I've been trying to buy more parts trucks, but I need to clear out a lot, which is kind of what we've been doing, because these past few weeks are gonna be raining a lot, like almost every day. But either way, because it rains and then I don't have anything to like put my trucks in, so it gets really muddy and I can't work like that. So we'll still figure something out. Maybe I'll do like a small garage or whatever. But yeah, guys, it's been good so far. God's been really good. So, you know, now we gotta fix this. And also the blue one, I don't know what's gonna happen with the blue one yet, but they're all gonna get fixed eventually, for sure. So yeah, that's, you know, starting off good. I don't know what else to say.
That's all.
That's it. That's all. You wanna walk around?
Yeah.
So there she is. I did get this side put on the running boards. Still got to paint those, and I still have to bolt down the bed because, as you can see, it moved that side. So yeah, there's still a lot to do, guys, but we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. It is multicolored right now. At least this side's kind of dark like that one, but that's all right. We'll get it painted. But yeah, there she is. This is the first test drive in like 3 or 4 or maybe more months. So still running good. Still got good tires. Just got to worry about the paint. But like I said, that'll be coming soon. So guys, that is gonna be it for this boring ass video. I appreciate y'all watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Shout out to all the ones that watch my videos here in town, because I found out a few people do, so that's pretty cool. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for more. We're gonna be starting paint soon, so yeah. Catch you on the next one. Peace.